Big man in a little coat.
It didn't rip off. Dude, it's like ripping in the middle. Try it again.
Oh, my freaking bicep.
Your bicep. Big man in a little coat. Ah! Oh, shoot. Where is it ripping at?
I have no idea.
Dude, on Tommy Boy, just rip right down the middle. Look at you. Look all weird that jacket. Try it again.
Oh my god.
Ready, go. Oh. Oh, I think. Oh, shit. Put your arm up. You ripped the armpit. Here you go. I gotta get this shit on tape. You only got 10 seconds left. Hurry. Dude, show them the ripped armpit. Yeah. Smile, hurry.